So hello guys, today I will show you how to create a drawer in Flutter application. So create new dot file name is a drawer only. Okay. Use a stateless. Class name is a drawer. Wait for analytics and use a scaffold in bar. Use title text is a drawer. Style textile color is a white. Okay, center title is a true and background color is a light green. So copy this file and paste it here main.dart. Copy and paste, import library and run it. So in some time output will be display. You can see it. Use a drawer outside bar. So I will use a drawer in drawer widget. Background color is black. Width is 150. Run it and check. Child is a list view. Click on drawer icon. So increase the width and check after. Remove the color. In the list view, I will use a list style. List style. Remove and okay, list style. In the list style, I will use a title. Title in text is item 1 and on tab method. So this is a clickable. Leading, I will use an icon, any icon, random icon. Okay, run and see this in emulator. So output will be perfect. Now copy this and paste second time. Background color I will set I think black. Okay, and change icon, that icon. Okay, so change the color white and textile color is white. Same it here in second list style, color change to white and run this. So output will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video.